Have a nice day, everyone! Do you regularly clean your house? Oh, I'm so hungry! What luck! I will use them to make a cake! They are cocoa beans! Let's make the best chocolate cake! Crush them to get cocoa powder. Add flour and sugar to mix with them. Now, I will make chocolate sponge cake. Mix it. Don't forget powder mixture. Perfect. Oops, what? Where is my baking mold? Hey, Kitty and Tom. I will take it. Pour everything into the mold. Then bake in 30 minutes. Let's decorate the cake, my friends. Do you like chocolate buttercream? It's so smooth. Rainbow buttercream time. I will decorate with M&M candy. Add M&M candy brand. Finally, enjoy your meal. Try making the cake at home. It will be more delicious than you think. Hey, wow, so beautiful. You are so beautiful too. Look at this. I didn't expect there to be roses here. I will bring you home. Oh, hey! I will use 2 of those ingredients to join the master baker. Colorful jam, butter, or chocolate. I choose you. Ouch! This is mine. Alright, I will use both of them to make a cake. Hello, my friends. I had a great idea for the cake today. A rainbow chocolate cake. How do you think about it? Now I will melt the butter. And then I would make rainbow-colored buttercream mixes. Do you like fruit jam? They're so nice. Thanks, Kitty. Pour them into the mold. I will bake it to make sponge cake. Decorating time. Do you like chocolate buttercream? It's so smooth. So, which color that you like most? Decorate some M&M candy. And it's showtime. I finished it. Hey, stop. I will take it away. Good morning, everyone! Do you like raising cats? I really like cats, but they keep arguing all the time. By the way, let's make a rainbow cake decorated ice cream with me. Use eggs and some ingredients to make sponge cake. Don't forget flour mixture. Mix it. But I want it will be chocolate sponge cake. Mix them all. So now, I will pour them into the mold. Then bake in 30 minutes. Do you like rainbow buttercream? It would be great to cover the cake with them. Let's see my magic. time to decorate, my friends! So, which color of the rainbow that you like most? It's so smooth. And I love melted chocolate too. Enjoy the ice cream. And the cake for my cats. Here you are. What a beautiful day. Hi, Bunny. Long time no see. Oh, wow. I like ice cream. What? It's sold out. Sprinkles aren't bad either. Which should I choose? It's there. Kitty, we will have a delicious cake. Hey friends, do you like colorful chocolate? Today I will make a rainbow chocolate cake. Let's melt all of them. They look so satisfying. I have some cake batter to mix. Yellow, red, and orange. Which one do you like most? Pour all into the mold and mix it. Baking time. Let's decorate, my friends. Wow, wow, look at the rainbow color. I love the smoothness. And I love melted chocolate too. Our little stars are coming. It's time to enjoy the cake. I will try it first. Yummy! You should try it too. Wow! The supermarket has so many items. I want to find a box of M&M candy. Oh yes! You are here. So, I will buy it and make a cake. Long time no see, everyone. Do you like M&M candy? Today, I will make a rainbow cake and decorate with them. I will use red and blue candy to make some great cake batter. Don't forget egg and flowers. Mix them all. Perfect. And the blue color. Pour all of them into the mold. Then bake in 30 minutes. Decorating time. I like chocolate buttercream most. So smooth. Which color do you like most? I love all of them. It's time to enjoy the cake, my friends. I will try a piece. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's so wonderful. Puzzle game. Yes, I will play it. I choose circle. Which blank should I choose? Aha! Yes! And the last one. Oh, yeah! Yeah, and your reward is a lollipop. Thank you. I have a lollipop. You know what cake I'm going to make today? It will be Chupa Chups rainbow cake. First, let's make the best powder mixture. Mix them all. And now is egg mixture. Honey will help make the cake even sweeter. Mix it, mix it. What a beautiful orange color. And baking time. Let's decorate the cake. It's so smooth. Do you like all of these rainbow colors? And Chupa Chups brand. Well, it's time to cut and enjoy our cake. I will try it first. Really delicious, I swear. Wow, May's house.
Huh?
Where is this? It's nothing here. Hello. Anybody there? Hello. The last room. Oh wow, you are here. Lots of candy. Good morning, everyone. I got a lot of candy from the maze house. So, let's make a beautiful cake with candies. Beat the egg mixture. I will add some cocoa powder and flour. Mix it, mix it. Pour everything into the mold, then bake in 30 minutes. Decorating time! Do you like all of these colors? Wow, what a sight! And do you like melted chocolate? Candy, candy! The tiny rainbow! And now, let's enjoy the cake together. Enjoy your meal. Do you agree that the cake's taste is wonderful? Wow! It's amazing! Bowling game! I want to play it! Let's play! Oh yes! The last one! Yeah, congratulations! Yeah, I got a cute egg. See ya! Have a nice day, my friends! Have you ever seen the cute egg like this? And today, let's make the most unique cake! Mix them all! So I got a purple cake batter. But I want my cake has half purple, half blue. Oh, it's so high up. I have an idea. Thank you, Kitty. Perfect. Pour 2 colors into the mold. And bake in 30 minutes. Decorating time! It's so smooth. Which color do you like most? And it will be two-tier cake. Does it look like water? That's right! This is a waterfall cake. It's really beautiful. I will take a photo of it. How do you think? You can try it at home. Wow! What's your choice? I choose Anxless. Yes! Oh yeah, let's bring them home. Have a nice day, my friends. I just got some fondant from a playing zone at the park. There are 6 fondant colors in total. Guess what I'm going to do with them? Yeah, I will make a tiny rainbow with them. It's so beautiful, right? And then I have the cake batter and some cocoa beans. Let's heat them first. Crush them to get cocoa powder. Mix it. Pour them into the mold and bake it. It's time to decorate, my friends. Oh, I love the smoothness. Do you like the two-tier cake? Let's cover my cake with rainbows. It is truly a gorgeous cake. Enjoy your meal. The taste is really delicious.